Hello, fourth graders. It's Miss Kovarik. I hope you're off to a great start to your week. Remember that we do still have assignments this week. They are a lot shorter than our usual digital assignments. So please make sure that you are reading the directions and you're doing them correctly so we can give you credit for those assignments this week. You will have Friday off because it's a holiday, and then we will start off again the following Monday. I do want to say on behalf of the whole fourth grade team, we have noticed that you guys have the best participation in the entire school. So congratulations, that's really, really great. You're all taking amazing responsibility of your education, and we are so happy that you come every day ready to work and ready to learn, and we appreciate you. So please keep up the great work. We love celebrating with pizza, and we hope to be able to continue that. Another friendly reminder that if you receive a message from a teacher asking you to redo an assignment, you have until Sunday to do that to be counted towards the raffle. However, you can redo it at any time and that will be counted as a grade for you because, again, we're trying to be really flexible throughout this digital learning, and if you need more time, that's fine. You just won't count towards the pizza raffle, but we will still give you a grade for it. All right, so let me scroll through to show you everybody is here. Lots of participation this week. Like I said, best in the school. That's not easy to do. Here's my 4C friends. My 4B friends. And our 4A friends. Oops. Alright, so everybody is in. Remember, every assignment you complete will get you 1 entry. So some people have 20 entries today because they did every single assignment from last week. Alright, here we go. Congratulations, Ali. Everybody keep up the great work. We will see you with another winner next Monday. Bye, Adams.